Hey, Buckets, hurry up. You've got a package.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, cool.
Yay!
Slippery. Where is it? Oh. It's from Taryl. Look at that, guys. Another winter storm for this weekend. Welcome to Ohio. Oh, yeah. And today's weather forecast. Just kidding. Hey, anyway. Good thing I got that snowblower in. Yeah, I was going to do some electronics. I got a video queued up for that. But since the snowstorm is here, we're definitely going to get that snowblower running. Let's go see what's wrong with that snowblower for sure. Oh, and I drugged that thing in last night. Good thing. Right, camera girl?
Right.
Whew. And it's only going to get worse. Let me get my shopping cart out of the way. There's a vintage shopping cart, guys. Yeah, I had to have it just for... You should have seen Cam's girl's face when I brought this thing home. See, it says theirs. See? But anyhow, no, I'm going to sell it because I don't need it. Well, today's video is going to be on this Snowblower, Husqvarna, Husky, whatever you want to call it. But it's a Husqvarna snowblower. It is a model 924 HV. And it was given to me. So I want to see what's wrong with it. They said, hey, you can have it. I tried getting it running and I can't get it running. I tried cleaning the carburetor out. I was like, okay. Well, let's get in this video. Let's see what's going on with this thing. All right, you know me. I do not like pull starts. It hurts me. Hurts my arms. All right. Got it juiced up. I'm going to trip and kill myself on a frozen extension cord. That really turned over fast. It's in a run position. I hear squirting in there. It turned over awful fast. No, it couldn't be that. No, it couldn't be. Okay. You guys notice anything? Anywhere in this general area? Oh no, it's on run. It's on start. Fuel's on. Farmer button. What's missing? Key. Okay. It's disconnected. I was like, no way. But no, the wires are off. So it's already been eliminated. So let's get this cover off and see what's going on underneath there. Well, what you're going to need here is the 10 millimeter. Get these covers off. I'm sure it's probably going to be a little bit of a waste of time. I wouldn't mind checking the spark, but I just want to get this cover off. Make sure these wires are disconnected. And that's going to be an 8 millimeter at that point. All right. I'm going to try to bypass that. This off. Pull up. I'm just going to yank those wires off. Right there. Oh yeah, I can see that it's got gas coming out of there. Let's try that again real quick. Nope, still dead. Taryl's spark plug tester that I got from him. He gave it to me as a gift. Damn it, get in there. He goes. Now, good ground. Let's see if she's got some life in her. Woo! Wow, yeah, it's got a good spark. Should I just put that spark plug out just for the fun of it? Could it be a bad spark plug? Could it be a bent valve? Could be just Buckets loses his mind. Doesn't Taryl talk about these torch plugs being junk? I think they are. Yeah, look at this. Looks pretty black. Yeah. Okay, so this is a F650. Let me get the proper plug. An old one. Now, I know you guys don't like NGK, but I like NGK plugs. They never gave me any problems with my motorcycle stuff. So, let's give that a little whirly-burly. Starting to see my breath. Let me spray a little go-go juice in there. Yeah, it is leaking gas here. It ran. It started somewhat, so, but I'm looking over here and it looks like possibly the throttle cable is disconnected. Possibly. I can't tell because of all these covers that are on here. Let's get them off. Now I do believe this is going to be a 10 here. Yep. So let's do that. And then the covers, these covers will come off. Pull up and out. That totally came off. Well, let's see in here. Yep. Throttle's off. Now, would you look at that? That's off. The spring is rusted and not connected anymore, so we got to replace that. So let's get this carburetor off. I'm gonna go through the carburetor real quick and put all this back together. Cold. So anyway, this is the carburetor. I cleaned it up. It wasn't bad inside at all. But I did clean the jet just to make sure. I had to replace the spring. The spring was rusted right here. And that was a pain in the butt. I had to take that side cover off, but we'll get all that back on. So now I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to just put this carburetor back on. And then we're going to see if it runs. So this is where you have to put the carburetor halfway on. Turn your throttle, full throttle. Get this to slide in. Come on. Pain in my butt. Put the spring on. There we go. All right. Now, it is hooked up like it's supposed to be. Now, put this is your kill wire. I'm going to put, let's put this back on. And camera girl's helping me film today. Ain't you, camera girl?
Maybe. A little bit.
Just for a little bit anyway, until she gets cold.
Actually, not bad.
It's not that bad. You can see our breath, but it's snowing like crazy out there now. And it's only supposed to get worse.
And it's not windy inside here, so we're good.
This is true. Now, got to put all this stuff back on. Yeah. That's the fuel. Just want to dish away. Seems like there should be a gasket there, but I don't think it needs it. Oh, wait a minute. This first. Gotta remember. Snowblowers is a different animal. They got it all set up differently, don't they? This goes here. Put your 10 millimeters back on. Finger tighten only. That's all you have to do. Nah, just kidding. You don't want to finger tight. You got to tighten them regularly. Don't listen to me. Now, any my impact.
So, don't listen to you?
Oh, listen to me, but just to listen to when I'm joking. I'm just joshing around. I don't like the way that spark plug wire goes in there. All right, let's see if she runs. She runs! Now, yeah, since it's snowing, I guess I might as well try to shoot a little line of snow. That didn't sound right. I'm going to go outside and snowblow. Gotta get dressed up. Gonna battle the snow! Yeah! It's running. The main part of it is it's running. It wasn't running before. You said you couldn't get it running, but here it is. It runs. And just in time for the snowblowers. Just in time to put it on flea book. Because, yeah, it's snowing. I'm going to do it right now. Well, as soon as I get it done, I'm going to go ahead and finish that. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Appreciate it. There's a lot more snow coming. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And we'll see you guys next weekend. I'll probably be back on electronics. Yes, sir. Yes. So, hey, camera girl, you ready for those wings? Let's go ahead. It's wing night.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, look at the chicken. There he is. Dance a little chicken. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, dance. Yeah, it's cold out here, ain't it? Yeah, whoa. There he goes. All right. All right, guys. We'll see ya. Have a great weekend. Woo! Yeah. It's from Taryl.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, woo! Oh, what it could be. Oh.
I wonder.
Well, nice little package. I'm surprised the bow stayed on. All right, I don't want to cut anything in there. Think it's a record?
I don't know. It's quite the mystery.
I don't know. Maybe it's a poster.
Well, we know it's not a calendar because you already have one of those.
Yeah, I was gonna think it can't be a calendar because I got that already.
Oh.
Scrape. Oh, I'm sorry. Metal. Oh, no way. Alice of Chains. It's Lane. Lane Staley. Oh, my favorite group, man. This Christmas present. Now, I can paint this thing, make it look nice and do maybe some kind of background. It's a raw, man, I like it. I can use a template, spray it on it. I'll put it on my beast out there. Spray it on the side. Spray, template.
That is really cool.
That is cool. Thanks, Taryl. Merry Christmas. I love it. Holy buckets. I love it. Merry Christmas, everybody. Even though Christmas ain't here yet.